Super weather.
Good morning, everyone, and happy Sunday to you. Temperatures again today going to be quite warm. We still have some sunshine in sight, a few clouds filtered in from time to time, and numbers through the afternoon topping out into the 90s. We do have a low rain chance today. It's a 20% shot. I think the activity looks to be very spotty, but any of the thunderstorms that do develop could be strong, potentially severe. So it's at least something that we'll need to watch closely. Look at the high temperatures today. Our normal high should be in the upper 80s, and we're soaring into the low 90s again this afternoon. Futurecast showing quiet conditions here this morning across the North Texas area. We do have some spotty showers up towards Bowie and Gainesville as we move through the morning hours, and then as we get into the late afternoon and evening time period, that's when we'll start to see some spotty showers and thunderstorms develop here across the region. And you'll notice as we get towards the evening time period, that's when some of those thunderstorms could potentially be strong. Severe weather outlook today. It's a low risk, but a risk nonetheless. Large hail and also high winds. The main concerns, I think the coverage, again, it's low, and that severe weather threat is low. So most storms will just be the run-of-the-mill thunderstorms, but certainly something we'll need to watch closely. Tonight, we'll fall back into the mid-70s, and once those storms move out around midnight, we'll be left with just a partly cloudy sky. Tomorrow, it's going to be a breezy and hot day. For the first day of fall, we'll soar into the low and mid-90s here across the region, so a toasty start to the week. We do have a cold front arriving for the midweek time period. Tuesday into Wednesday does bring in a better chance for some rain and thunderstorms to the region, so again, something we'll be watching closely. That cold front comes in late Tuesday, does bring in the rain and thunderstorms heading into the first part of the day on Wednesday, and then beyond that, winds are going to shift more in out of the north, and that will usher in some more comfortable and cooler conditions here as we get through the mid to end of the week. But before we get there, temperatures, they stay quite warm as we start the week. We're at 96 on Monday for the first day of fall with sunshine, dry weather as we are starting the week, but those rain chances do increase again as we get into your Tuesday and Wednesday as the cold front pushes its way into the area. Back into the 80s again Wednesday and beyond, and for the opening weekend of the State Fair of Texas, we are looking good. Temperatures are in the 80s, and we continue with a good deal of sunshine here across the area.
Sign up for super weather.